This is a rec system that's an option. Notice that that temperature was set on 490 degrees, yet I can put my hand and place it on the barrel. With the better efficient temperature control, what happens is you reach the plastic's temperature equilibrium faster. So at any startup, you start making good parts quicker. TOYO has some of the most generous tie bar spacing that we have in the industry. We've taken mold protection to a different level with HSP monitoring. We can look at it twice and give us 2 chances to be very sensitive in what we're doing. We can set it when the leader pins first come in, everybody else just slows down, but we can have that initiate the actual start of mold protection, and then when we get down to our cores and cavities, get even more sensitive. So that just gives us an extra layer of mold protection. Just perfect control.